Hi, it's Tola, local foodie from the Asheville, North Carolina area. So I had a chance to go by Early Girl Eatery the other night, and they have a west side location, but I happen to be in downtown, so I went to their original right on Wall Street. So we sat down and immediately started looking at the menu, and you'll notice right away there's this awesome diner retro feel about the place, right? Then it's this southern inspired comfort food. Oh, it speaks to my heart for sure. So I had to order what makes my heart happy, and that was the pan-fried free-range chicken. And it came with this light herb gravy, and normally when you get gravy it's an artery clogging mess, but this was actually really good and balanced, and it didn't feel heavy at all as you're eating it. I normally get mashed potatoes and gravy and macaroni and cheese when I order a dish like that, but I wanted to think outside the box because they have really great emphasis on local food. It's healthy, sustaining for the community, so I wanted to be a part of that. I got the pickled beets, and then I got the candied yams. The pickled beets was a nice, refreshing break from the savory food, and the candied yams just took you back to grandma, so that was really nice. I was also able to enjoy a traditional Cobb salad, so good, and then we even had some bacon bits on the side which just topped it off perfectly. Then I ended the night with some fresh chocolate covered strawberries. Such a good way to end the evening, absolutely perfect. So if you're in the Asheville area, 2 locations that you can choose from to enjoy this amazing food. If you're downtown, go ask for Kate. She's pretty awesome. She rocked the night for us and made it great.